What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the show. This is another POV video. In front of us today, as you can see, is the 2020 BMW X5M competition. So this is basically a fully spec'd out model, and this is going to be a POV driving perspective of the X5M competition. And we're gonna go over all the details and everything in the full review, but this is just basically going to be for the sounds and for you guys to enjoy how the X5 actually drives from my perspective. So we've got the DSLR mounted there. We'll step inside and go for a drive. So this, like I mentioned, is basically a fully spec'd out model. If you guys want to see everything about the car and all the features and a full driving impression from me, a lot of the cinematic shots and the full review, that will be up on the channel if it isn't already, so you can check that out. For more on this absolutely ridiculous vehicle, first off, the X5M competition is such an excessive vehicle that it really, you can't help but smile when you drive it, not just because it is so insanely fast, but because it is so incredibly excessive. And some might call it unnecessary, but I mean, if you've got the cash to blow on an X5M competition, by all means, enjoy the massage seats, enjoy the Alcantara headliner and all of the insane features that this car has. But for you guys here in the POV video, because I gather that you just want to hear this car drive, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So we are currently in comfort mode, as you can see there: efficient, comfort, steering's in comfort, brakes in comfort. My M1 setting I currently have as like daily driving, so I just set the steering to sport, and then the engine in sport as well, but everything else in comfort. But if we want the full beans, we've got sport mode. To activate track mode, you hold down the M button and then activate track mode, and that eliminates this screen as a distraction, and you're only focused on what's going on the road ahead of you. 617 horsepower with the competition package, and 553 pound-feet of torque out of that 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. We do also have the exhaust mode buttons. So BMW's actually included a button down here that you can exclusively just hit, and the exhaust will be loud, or you can turn it off if you want it to be quiet. It's making my hands sweaty, you guys. Look at that. This, oh my God. This is definitely one of those videos where the POV does not do the vehicle justice whatsoever. Oh, you guys, we got a stray dog. Pro tip, watch for dogs in the X5. All right, you guys, well, here it is, the 2020 X5M competition. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick POV perspective. Again, if you haven't watched the full review already, if it isn't out already, it will be in a matter of days. So definitely check that out. The link for that will be in the description. Wow, what a car. What a car. I think the noise and the acceleration and the grip speak for themselves. But until next time, you guys, subscribe if you haven't already. We do, of course, these reviews and POV videos on brand new cars and kind of enthusiast-oriented vehicles, such as the X5M competition, as well as interviews and features on modified cars. And we get the stories from the owners and their perspective on, you know, big horsepower or just customized drift cars, modified cars, all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit me up on Instagram at Untraveled. Till next time, this has been the X5M competition. We'll see you again soon.